Hello, I'm krystof, a 19 years old designer, and I'm gonna be your tutor in the 3D visual art in a Cinema 4D and Octane course. This course will teach you the fundamentals of working in 3D, and at the end of this course, you will be proficient enough to create commercial artworks. The course is broken down into 6 sections. First, we are going to learn the theory of art. Then, we move into Cinema 4D and learn how to build our own scene, texture it, light it, and render it. And in the end, we are going to learn the different techniques of post-processing in Photoshop. This course is targeted at anyone who has a mind full of crazy amazing ideas and want to execute on them. To participate in this course, you do not need any previous experience in 3D. I'm here to help you achieve the career that you've always dreamed about. Enroll in the course today.